Welcome back to Vancouver Carpenter. Yes, another towel bar video. But this time I don't want to use the regular toggle bolts I used. I want to try these different ones that I've seen for a while. These like weird long plastic ones. Although after opening the package, this bolt is huge. So I'm probably gonna have to modify the actual hardware to get this bolt to work. But yeah, let's get this off and see what we're looking at. So, yeah, there's that one. How about this? No, I should use a screwdriver for that. I bought a little screwdriver. Someone gave me a hard time for using a woodworking tool. He's like, I don't know what to think about you anymore. Well, here's what it was. I just didn't have one and I had to get the job done, so I used a little tool that I didn't care much about. That's what you could think about me. God, I get so defensive here. But it is nice to, this thing actually ratchets too. Yeah, there we go, there we go. Oh, that's great. It's just a little Husky one from Home Depot. Hopefully I don't lose it. All right, what are we looking at here? So we've got one that's been installed with the regular twist-in drywall anchor, which never lasts for long on these. These actually aren't bad for things like pictures and small light things, but anything that gets regularly grabbed, they don't work. That's obvious. This towel bar here obviously has some good backing because it's not moving at all. But what's this one into? Why does it have a number 1 Robertson instead of a number 2 Robertson? Oh well, look at that. I can twist it right out. Oh, we got the same thing. Oh, those are dinky ones. Those are way too small for a towel bar, and only one. I wonder if there's wood back there. There is back here, this far. That's a little far. I don't think we're gonna be using 6-inch screws to install a towel bar. Could though. Nothing here. Oh, same thing. Oh, that's just the other side of the wall, duh. Like, that makes sense. What's that, about 4.5 inches? Yeah, 4 inches, makes sense. Okay, what are we gonna do? And why did I use toggle bolts last time? So the reason I use toggle bolts is because when you've got a situation like this, where the hole's already blown out, you can't do much else. So in my last video, I read the comments. I do read a lot of the comments, you guys, and a lot of people were saying, I don't know why you use those instead of, you know, these little like plastic metal inserty ones. And I know the ones you guys mean. They have these little teeth, like you drill a little hole like 1/4 inch or something, pound them in, they have these little teeth that bite into the drywall. And when those work, it's good. Sometimes though, they keep spinning and then you wind up just damaging all the drywall around there, it won't grab. But then, so then you screw it in and it has these little teeth that go, sucks the whole thing back. And so ideally it's supposed to sandwich the drywall. But I did a test on a whole bunch of those and every one of them crushed the back of the drywall. And it was only holding crushed drywall that was about 1/8 of an inch thick with only the paper on this side. So those really aren't that strong either. Like maybe for a little hand towel or something, but not for like an actual full-size towel bar that people are gonna be yoinking on all day. I mean, maybe you've had good luck with it, but yeah, after doing that test and seeing how easily those fail and how finicky they are, I don't actually trust those anymore. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with regular toggle bolts. But today, I did want to try and use these and see how they are. Because yeah, I don't know. I've always seen these ones and never wanted to try them because they just look so excessive, all this plastic and stuff going on when the regular toggle bolts work just fine. But yeah, was not expecting to see a massive 1/4 inch wide bolt. I don't even know what I'm gonna do about that. I'm totally gonna have to drill a way bigger hole in here, or a couple, because yeah, this clearly won't work. So maybe I'll go do that right now. All right, you guys, so we need to make this big bolt go through here like this, which was pretty simple. I just found a drill bit that was a little bit bigger than the bolt. Take some pliers, put it on somewhere kind of firm so you can easily drill into it. That's no big deal. It's pretty easy. But I wanted to cover again, why are we using toggle bolts, right? Why not cut it open and put backing in like a lot of people suggested? So this hole is already blown out. It's too big for any other kind of anchor to work. And this is where toggle bolts come and save the day. Because this is like a one-stop job, right? This is not like a cut it open, add backing, patch the hole, repaint the whole wall, right? Like I don't know why people don't think about that sometimes. Like a lot of the time as a carpenter, you're just going to a place for one day to make something work instead of have it be, like we're not always making things perfect. We're here to make things work. And so in this case, we don't have to do any patching. We just change the hardware. It's gonna be really strong, really good. And we're done. Anyway, speaking of being done, let's get back up there and do it. Okay, so we are back to, maybe I should look at the instructions. What size hole do I actually need to drill here? Half inch, awesome. That's what I have. I mean, those were basically ½ inch already. Okay. So, we don't need to put these on first, so it's a little bit simpler than a regular toggle. Hopefully I get these right. Huh? No. So you put that in through. I hope you got that whole thing. Yeah, good, that's locked now. And you slide this down. It's like, feels like a zap strap almost. So hopefully that's going to get compressed to the wall. Otherwise it's not gonna look that good. And then what? These things...
You're supposed to lever them or something.
Yeah, they snap off now.
But you lever them to get it tight?
I don't know. Oh, they just snap off super easy. Oh, that was super easy. Okay, so these ones went on sideways. That's pretty good. Okay, no wiggle room though. I mean, unless I drilled the hole a little bit bigger. But we'll just go with that. That looks pretty good. Okay, let's try this again. I don't know if you guys saw that really easily on the last one. But yeah, it just slips in there. There, I can see that it's on there good. I don't like all that loose drywall. I feel like it's gonna make it stick out more. But these are pretty good actually. Like I'm actually pretty impressed with this system. And then it snapped so easy. Hopefully the rest of the plastic isn't as brittle as these things. It's probably not, because this is designed to break, right? Yeah, real easy. It says these will hold up to 230 pounds. I mean, I should be able to do chin-ups off of here then. That works pretty smooth and nice. I think these are easier than a regular toggle bolt, more user-friendly. Slide that up a little. There we go. Okay. And when I came here, this towel bar had this big dent in it. Let's just flip that around. That looks a little nicer. And first I'll install one of these with my handy dandy new little screwdriver. Love this thing. Not a chisel? No, this won't make a good chisel. My wife is very astute in her observation there. Won't make a good chisel. It makes a good baby screwdriver.
Chisel with the screwdriver.
I often use my chisels as screwdrivers and my screwdrivers as chisels. Anyone else do that? I know you guys do. I know the real pros do. It's the weekend warriors that baby all their chisels. I'm serious, you guys. There's a pretty big difference between like real pros and what we do on site and how we use our tools and the way the weekend warriors treat their stuff and how they think we should treat our stuff. Like, a pro is about getting the job done, and we're not usually about buying new tools all the time. And I'm really happy with these. Those feel solid. That one could use a little more tightening, but overall, yeah. This worked well. Let me know in the comments, what kind of a pro are you? Are you the kind of pro that uses whatever they have to get the job done? Or do you baby all your stuff ridiculously? Let me know. I'm the kind of guy that just wants a job done, and I'll use whatever I have necessary to get it done right then. I hate trips to the store. I hate going back out to the van to get another tool. Like, yeah, I want the job done, and this one is done. So let me know in the comments, what kind of tradesperson are you? Thanks for watching. Till the next video. Oh, and one last thing, because the video was about these. I thought these worked pretty good. I'm pretty surprised with these.